Hello, welcome to Skill English again. I'm very excited. In fact, I'm very super excited because I'm going to discuss about the difference between today must and have to. I think most of you have come across this word must and have to. But before I start my session today, I would like to express again my gratitude to all of you who are subscribing, who are giving your valuable comments and help my channel grow. And today, if you are for the first time watching Skill English, please don't forget to put your useful comments, give your likes, and the most important thing, you should not forget to subscribe Skill English. So let's today start our session today. The difference between must and have to. Is there any difference? In general, they are both used to express an obligation, responsibility, or necessity. I'm again repeating. Both must and have to are used to express an obligation, responsibility, or necessity. To make it clear, I have written down two sentences. One, have a look. I must go to market. I must go to market. And the next sentence, I have to go to market. See, both sound same, is it not? What is the difference between saying I must go to market and I have to go to market? Yes, friends, there is a difference. When I say I must go to the market, it means I think or the speaker have decided that he needs to go to the market. So I must go to the market means I think or I have decided that I need to go to the market. Clear? It is from the speaker's side. I must go to the market. The speaker thinks it is necessary now to go to the market. Take the case, the second sentence, I have to go to market. I have written it here again. I have to go to market. Now, what is the difference here? Here, the speaker does not think that it is necessary to go to the market, but it is someone else who has finalized other than the speaker. Someone else has decided, someone else has finalized that he or she has to go to the market, that it was necessary to go to the market. So I have to go to the market means someone else has finalized other than me that it was necessary for me to go to market. Clear? The difference? I must go to the market. I think it is necessary, or the speaker thinks it is necessary to go to the market. No one else is putting a pressure. There is no obligation from or someone is putting a condition that you have to go to the market. It is the speaker thinks that it is necessary now to go to the market. But when I write a sentence or someone says I have to go to market, here it is not the speaker but someone else has finalized, someone else has decided that it is necessary for someone to go to the market. So it's clear, I must go to the market, I think it is necessary or it is my obligation to go to market. I have to go to market, it is not me. Someone else has decided, someone else thought that it was necessary for me to go to market. It's clear? I think it is so. A little more, see, must is only used in present tense, remember. Must is only used in present tense. Please remember this once for all. Must is only used in present tense. What is then the past form of must? Or what we write in the past form? In the past, must is had to. Must is written as had to. So I had to go to market. The past form of must here is had to. Remember, you should never use must in past tense. Must is only used in present tense. The final part, future tense of must. What is future tense of must? Future tense of must is will have to. So I can say, I will have to leave for my village tomorrow. So two things to be kept in mind. Must is only used in present tense. The past form of must is had to. I had to go to market. The future tense of must is will have to. So I will have to leave for my village tomorrow. So before I finish today's session, it's a short session, but I think you have enjoyed this session. So before I end my session, I would like to summarize once again the difference between must and have to. You use must when the speaker thinks it is necessary. You use have to when someone else decides that it is necessary for the speaker. Like, I must go to market. I think it is necessary to go to market. I have to go to market. I have not thought it is necessary, but someone else thought it is necessary to go to market. Must is used in present tense. Don't use it in past tense. The past we use had to. I had to go to market. The future tense of must is will have to. I will have to leave for my village tomorrow. So how was this session today? I hope it has benefited you. There are various such things which will confuse us, but we should not be confused. Your friend, your channel Skill English is always there to help you. So until next time, from Skill English, goodbye and have a nice time. Thank you.